Let's take a look at everything that comes inside the box. First, you'll find a set of EvoFox stickers to show off your brand pride, along with a community note welcoming you to the EvoFox family. Next, there's the quick start guide that will walk you through setup and key functions of the keyboard. Of course, you'll get the main attraction, the EvoFox Katana X2 TKL mechanical keyboard, equipped with professional-grade switches. We've also included a key and switch puller tool, making it easy to replace your switches. Finally, you'll find 2 extra blue switches, so you can make any replacements as needed. This keyboard is built with customization in mind. Now let's explore the features of the Katana X2 TKL. This gaming keyboard is equipped with professional-grade Outemu blue switches, which offer a clicky tactile response perfect for gamers who crave precision and feedback. These switches are built to last, with a switch life of 50 million clicks, ensuring long-lasting durability. For easy control of your media and system settings, the keyboard includes a multifunctional volume knob and dedicated multimedia keys. You'll also notice LED indicators for key functions, such as caps lock, Windows lock, and scroll lock, making it easy to stay on top of your keyboard settings at a glance. The 10-keyless design means you get more space for your mouse movements, giving you better control during intense gaming sessions. Customizing the lighting on the Katana X2 TKL is simple and versatile. You can adjust the brightness to match the mood, or completely turn off the backlighting when not needed. With a variety of lighting modes, you can switch between different effects to find the one that suits your setup best. You can also control the speed of these lighting effects, allowing you to create a more dynamic or subtle experience. If you ever need to, you can easily reset the lighting settings back to default. The ring lighting adds another layer of customization and can be adjusted to your preference. As for the multifunctional volume knob, simply rotate it to control the audio volume during gameplay, or press the knob to mute instantly. For even more control, press and hold the knob to switch to backlight control mode. Once in backlight mode, rotate the knob to adjust brightness, or press it again to change lighting modes. The Katana X2 offers intuitive control right at your fingertips. Maintaining your keyboard is straightforward. Always start by unplugging the keyboard from your device to ensure safety. First, use the key puller tool by gripping the keycap and pulling it upward to remove it from the keyboard. Once the keycap is removed, flip the tool and use the switch puller to carefully remove the switch by gripping it and pulling gently. Now, take one of the provided extra switches, align it with the slot, and firmly press it into place. Finally, place the keycap back over the new switch and push down until it clicks securely.